Hello everyone, it's Lily here from Engine and Accessory. We're gonna take a look around at our truck of the month. It's this beautiful 2025 Peterbilt 567. It has a Cummins ISX engine with 450 horsepower. It has an Allison automatic transmission 4500 RDS. It's equipped with this Europe Helix 220 blower with 755 CFM. And for the main highlight of this truck, this 4,000 gallon aluminum tank has 2 compartments, 4,000 waste and 200 water. It has a 36-inch aluminum toolbox with double doors. It also has a 24-inch toolbox on the passenger side. It's equipped with a JT1030 hydraulic drive jetter. This truck also has air ride suspension and differential locks. If you want any more information, give us a call at 305-573-2268. The stock number is stock number 10. Thank you for watching.